What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to change state in a Last Z survival shooter. So you might be wondering how to exactly change your state or your state here. Well, this one is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go ahead and open up the game here, and you want to go and click on your profile icon at the top left of your screen. Now from here, we want to go to our account section. So at the very bottom here, you have gallery, more, account settings, and rankings. So again, you want to choose account. Now, in account here, you want to go to character management, and you just need to go and click on create new character, and you can go and choose your state here. Now, depending on the current state of that state, as you can see, there are different state here. It will show you if it's good or quite crowded here. So choose one that is quite good here. You can go and choose the state here that has a green icon for it, and you want to proceed on creating a new character for it. You could go and click on yes in that section, and that should create or transfer or create a new character for you here, which in this case you go and switch over to that character by clicking switch by clicking on character management again, and clicking on that state to basically changing to that specific character. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.